Oh shit!
Oh no!
Snow angel, snow angel!
You did it on purpose.
My ass hurts. My ass.
Hand down!
Fucking hurts right
Hand
now.
down! All packed up, ready to rock. Tent is on the truck. It's beginning to snow a little bit. Pixelator's coming along.
Looks good, man.
Yeah, dude, and it, like with the axes and stuff, I bought like those quick fist things, but it was too late. I don't want to, but I probably will.
It's the crinkle paint that makes it look legit.
Yeah, yeah. No, that turned it up for sure. Cause you guys saw it before. It looked like
Yeah, it looks like shit.
everybody's looking at it like, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't want to say it, man. It's so rusty, you know?
Dude, you didn't have to. Everyone else did.
The trailhead is literally, you guys saw that exit where it said that's where we're exiting. It's about 1.5 miles down, but we're actually gonna come down this way and then go. We're gonna stop at the trailhead. That's the staging area, and then from there we're gonna take. So you go in. Yeah, you air down at that station. I don't know the trail at all. This is my first time, just like all you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, because that's where we're camping. It's not too far of a trail. It's only about 2 miles, I believe. If you guys want to do more roading, there's 3 different trails that lead up to. So once we get there, we'll figure it out. But we're gonna head straight to basically just go to, and there should be some water crossings. So
Sick. Whoa.
you know, people's first time.
Yeah.
He changed the color.
Yeah.
It's purple.
He's like, I said it's pink. It's like,
What the
good
fuck?
choice.
I think I have mine set to 18.
Oh, Brian.
Got some new.
I didn't know that this is the
Ta-da! New tire deflators. Let's go.
there's a lot of downhill.
Your new shoes, your new wheels.
I think Tuesday.
Are they beadlocks? They look like beadlocks.
Fake beadlock. The same
Just like mine.
same brand as the other ones I had.
They look fucking sick, dude. That color is dope.
These are Saints. Saints old ones.
Oh, really? They look really nice. Did he go bigger?
No, he went same thing, just different wheel.
What was the thing you did? Oh, that.
Oh yeah.
The little. What's for like more tire clearance?
Yeah.
Little body chop. This bumper is so sick.
Close your door.
This is fucking sick.
So we're gonna go across, and that's our campsite right there.
Oh,
we could
shit.
book camp both, like.
Yeah, we can technically be on.
Or
both
even
sides.
here, yeah. This is a lot of room. Yeah, this is dope. I saw there were treads here.
Yeah.
Yeah, tons of room for activities.
No frozen lake bowling.
Yeah, no kidding.
You guys want to be on this side or that side? That side doesn't have any sun. This side has sun. Oh shit!
Oh no!
Snow angel, snow angel.
You did it on purpose.
My ass hurts. My ass
Stand down!
fucking hurts right
Stand
now.
down!
My butt fucking
What
hurts.
did
Straight.
it?
Wait, wait, let me get a grip.
Oh my!
Yeah.
Oh, it's ice.
Yeah, it's black ice.
Oh shit.
Alright, dude. My ass fucking hurts right
Don't
now.
walk over it
This
again.
much snow fell
Shit.
yesterday, dude. Oh, look at all this fresh power.
Holy
Okay, let's
shit, bro.
let's just camp right here.
Camp across.
Yeah.
Yeah, no
Well,
shit.
it's all you want trees, right?
And our chains for our boots. God damn.
Alright, Tian. What? Hold on. Oh. I can take some photos, but...
There is chaos at the campsite. Oh shit. Everyone relocating? What is going on? Is everybody moving?
Huh?
Everybody's relocating up here?
I want to be next to the water.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's like the prime spot right over there. On the beach. Although this is pretty nice. You're like above everything, you know? Dude, your dog's so funny. So well mannered. Oh shit.
Okay, for sure. We might just go check it out.
Yeah, check it out. It's pretty
Appreciate it, guys.
Oh, that's not our group.
It's nice.
Stop on the way out either way.
Okay.
Daddy! Hurry! Daddy! Hurry! Daddy!
Come on.
Daddy! Beep, 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 beep.
Stop. Well,
What were they saying?
they're gonna pitch a fire out there right now. So if we go out there
Yo.
right now, they're gonna be there.
Yeah.
So I
How
don't.
big the spot is.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, they also have
say
a.
it if they're like, camping right next to us, right?
Yeah.
That's
Well, do
true.
you want to go there?
I don't know. I'm down for here or wherever.
We can
Go check it
here,
out. Go
but
check it out.
Set up later over there.
Over where?
He said it's just down the ways.
You wanna scout it?
Yeah, let's go scout it.
Yeah.
Go scout.
Yeah, we'll just hop in one car, go scout it, check it out, see.
Everybody pile in
Yeah.
the tundra.
Because I see they have
there's
a lab. So
The lab.
yeah, I just don't know shadow.
It's not dirt.
Oh, I thought you were talking about a meth lab.
Well, I don't know how big the spot is. If he's talking about the same spot that I was at last time, it's kind of small. Or maybe I was on like one side of it.
Have Brian go scope it. He's right in front.
Hey, what about over there?
Perfect. Perfect.